Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TX3150 or 3100 series. I want to show you how to do the full setup guide. We're going to connect this printer to a wireless network, connect it to mobile device and also computer, install the driver and also print. First of all, you need to select network button once, then press direct button, press and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, release the button. It will show you Wi-Fi icon. Wait for 2 lines to appear. So we got 2 lines. What that means is the printer is in a wireless mode. We want to connect it to mobile phone. Go to Play Store and install Canon Print app. Then open Canon Print app. Then search for the printer. Show you, please wait momentarily. Is your printer listed below? Then select no. No. When the printer is dictated on the next screen, tap the button to connect. Select next. So printer is found. Connect to device Canon IJ27025 TX3100 Select connect. It's connected and is processing. It's going to look for wireless router SSID. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router SSID. So the network is found. Then select yes. We'll show you saving. Communicating to the printer. This will take 150 seconds. So the printer is connected to network, but you need to wait for the process to complete on your mobile phone. It will take more than 150 seconds. The printer is online. This is the printer. So this is how to connect this to mobile phone. Now we want to connect it to PC. What you need to do is you need to go to Google search, open Google search, or you can use Bing. So if you want to use Bing, then type Canon IJ setup. Canon IJ setup. Select on it. Then scroll down and select Canon official manual. Select on it. Then select language and also select setup. Then search for the printer model. So scroll down and select T series. Then scroll down and select the model TS3150. Select on it. And also select operating system Windows. Select download. So the file is downloaded. Then open the file. Then select, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Select yes. Then select start setup. Before you continue, the software may use network to set up the printer. Then select next. Acquiring latest driver and software. Licensing agreement. Scroll down and select yes. For user service related Canon, you can agree or disagree according to your preference. I'm going to select do not agree. Processing, please wait momentarily. Printer detection. Checking the printer status. So it's going to search for the printer on the network. Check the connection method. Allow the following printer to be used with a Wi-Fi connection. This is the printer and serial number. Then you select yes. So the printer is found and the serial number. Then you select yes. Installing MP drivers. About 2 minutes until completion. Processing, please wait momentarily. Printer is being registered to your computer. The process may take some time. Then it will show you print head alignment. Print head alignment. You must perform print head alignment. Then select Start Print Head Alignment. So it's printing alignment paper. So you need to wait until it prints out alignment paper that you need to scan on the glass scanner before you finish the setup. Then take the paper printed out, put it on the glass scanner face down. It will show you on the screen. You need to select copy or copy black to proceed. Just press it once. It will scan the alignment page. This power light will be flashing. Once it's done, the light will be steady. Then you discard the paper. And also, the line will be going round and round. Once it's ready, show you 0. So it's showing us 0. Then you discard the paper. And after that is done, then you select Next. Then you select Print Test Page. Then you select Start to print the test page. Then it will show you test page. This printer is now ready for printing. Introduction to Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie. So this is a test page to confirm that the printer is connected from the PC. Then you select Next. Will show you setup complete. Setup complete. You can now print from your computer. The next software will be installed. Then you select Next. Then it will show you softwares for you to select. You can select user manual, my image guide in quick menu, easy web print, XP driver. I'm going to refuse manual. Then select install, select next, select yes. So it's going to download the rest of the software that you need. Installing image guide, and it will take about 9 minutes. Then it will show you can print from smartphone or tablet. Then you select next. Printer registration will show you register now or skip. I'm going to select skip. Installation completed successfully. Then you select exit. Then it will show you getting most out of your printer. TS3150 series. Show you things you can do. So this is how to set this printer up, the full setup guide. From your laptop, you can select quick menu to scan documents. Please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.